There's my bodywork hammer set. Ugh, and it's full, so it shouldn't move. That's not near high enough, though. Or wide enough. Oh, yeah. This thing's light, but when you get that leverage times old age equals pain. Here's another case. This one's got a torch set in it. Yes, I have a customer's trailer to work on. Oh, that looks all right. That might work. Except I can't see the center with the case in the way. But that looks pretty good. That's about half an inch in. Well, it's lower on this side than that side. So, okay. What do you think? Almost looks like it's too high. It's not going to do nothing. Like, I don't want to obstruct my vision, of course, but I want to get some shade in there. I don't know. That's not too bad. And side to side, that's like flush. That's has to come over this way about a 1/4 inch or so, like that. And I imagine that center weld looks terrible. It's crooked. As I cut it diagonal, oh dear, that looks all right. It doesn't look too bad. I just can't see. Let me put some light inside the cab so I can see that center bar. I guess I got to plug it in. Who'd have thunk? Who'd have thunk? Where are you? Oops. There we go. Oh, life in the fast lane. Oh, come on. You worked yesterday and the day before. Okay, it's not plugged in. I'm plugging in the wrong plug. Okay, that should work. Guaranteed. Yeah. So we'll put this right in the center so that our shadow is equal. And now if we look at this, it shows I gotta go. That's why it's crooked, because it's not in the center. I have to lift it up a bit on this side. Yeah. It's way down on this side. So that goes like that. That'll line it up better. Okay, we're almost there. This is exciting. There. That looks good there. That looks pretty even. I think it's pretty even. What do you think? So what I have to do now, I guess, is I will mark where it sits, take it down, tack it, bring it back up, tape it on with the top piece on, and then later I can make the center reinforcing, or whatever you call it, the center support. I was thinking about putting 2, but I think, oh man, this is not a good idea. How are you supposed to screw it down with that thing in the way? Yeah. So how are you going to mark the holes with that thing in the way? Yeah, it's not a thing, it's a visor. Yes. Looks like we might have made a boo-boo. Yeah. Oh dear. I mean, I can That appears to be good. I think I like it there. So I can mark it for welding. Mount those brackets. I'll make the brackets so they bolt right through and put the bolts, carriage bolts on the top. It's a real nuisance having that. Oh, the plate comes out. Look at that. Maybe. No, it's riveted in. Oh, it's part of the body. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let me show you that so you know what I'm whining and complaining about. Here we go. We're going to flip this around. See that visor? There's a visor inside. So I have to be able to bolt through, and look where that sits. You see? Okay. I can probably... Oh, this is a nightmare. That's why we don't drill and mount things till we really look at it, because we might say, we're not making a visor. It might not be the good advice. Okay. Yeah, it looks good there. So you can see from the side, but that much. From the side, that much. Just needs tweaking a little bit. All right, so what we got here is we've got 1 3/8 down. Has to come down a little bit more. I can't with that in there, so I don't know. Yep, it's interesting. Looks cool. Looks cool. I think it needs to come down more though. It's giving I mean, it's only the cosmetics and the cool factor, but I kind of like to be able to use it, sun visor. So we're going to get another box. That's what we'll do. A different box to put on the hood to hold it. So I think I can come down quite a bit actually. If I do that, it might be easier to tack it. I could tack it right on there if I bring the corner down. Mutterings of the insane. That's what I should call this video. All right, so we'll take this off. And if we want to go, oh dear, I want to go down. So let's find something